Edge computing can transform your business so it's smarter, faster, and delivers a more personalized experience for your customers. But the path to edge computing can seem complex, expensive, and resource-heavy. But it needn't be if you choose Lenovo Open Cloud Automation for Red Hat Openshift. This unique service from Lenovo helps you reduce your dependency on factory-installed infrastructure software. With one touch, automated zero-touch provisioning tools remotely install the cloud platform of your choice onto your edge hardware. Now there's no need for staging environments, complex logistic planning, or pre-filled deployments. With Lenovo Open Cloud Automation for Red Hat Openshift, you can deliver all your hardware in one go, straight to all your edge locations. Cut your shipping costs and your carbon footprint. Keep your skilled engineers where they thrive and don't turn them into a man in a van. Launch an edge computing solution that delivers the control, scale, and value your business deserves. Simplify and accelerate your edge deployment with Lenovo Open Cloud Automation for Red Hat Openshift.